and he was from MIT and he was visiting California. He fell sick. He was teaching at Stanford. वो guest lecture कर रहा था. And as it turns out, that sickness made Silicon Valley. So he fell sick. Because he fell sick, for 1 year he could not move out of California. He fell in love with California. He said कि मैं जो भी करूँगा यहाँ पे करूँगा. Joined Stanford as a computer science teacher. When he joined Stanford, उसका सबसे बड़ा frustration ये था कि मैं बच्चों को सिखा रहा हूँ और वो जाके ईस्ट कोस्ट पे जॉब्स ले रहे हैं. ईस्ट कोस्ट पे बहुत बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज थे तभी. MIT was ईस्ट कोस्ट, जनरल इलेक्ट्रिक्स, GE was ईस्ट कोस्ट. तो सबसे बड़ा फ्रस्ट्रेशन उसका ये था कि लोग जो है वो मैं सिखा रहा हूँ और उसके बाद वो जॉब्स के लिए जा रहे हैं. तो उसने ना he said कि यार I am going to stop teaching and I am going to teach only one cohort. And he was a very famous computer science teacher in Stanford. And he said, I'm going to take only 60 students. And people were like, yeah, but the demand is very large. And he said that I'm going to do something which is going to reduce the demand. He said, these people need to sign a waiver that once they've taken my computer science course and have graduated as an engineer, they will not take up a job for the next 5 years and will instead build a venture. ठीक है?
Nice.
He said this. 60 का cohort, मतलब मरते मरते बनते बनते I think 58 students आए उसके पास. ठीक है? He started working with these students. His first cohort included 2 people called Bill Hewlett and David Packard. Ganti. Right? And essentially these were people who ended up building Hewlett Packard. HP, which was the first original startup in a Silicon Valley. वहाँ पे जो garage है जहाँ पे Hewlett Packard बना था, it's still called the 538 garage because 538 is basically the number of dollars that were given as angel investment by Silicon Valley and Frederick Terman to Hewlett Packard. Now, not only this, there were other things that he started doing. One was when Hewlett Packard started, he knew that if Hewlett Packard did not grow, his flywheel, he needs to attract really good